This is how it looks with it on. Hi guys, welcome back to my video. Today's video is kind of different. It's gonna be an unboxing. So I'm just gonna finish my video around this side. So as I was doing the unboxing, I realized that I wasn't videoing, so I had to just show you what the packaging was like and stuff. So I already opened one. It's 2 capes, so I opened one, I opened the package and I opened one, and then I realized my camera wasn't videoing. So this is the package that the cape was in, plus the brown paper bag, the brown envelope, sorry. Yeah, so this is me doing the opening the package right now. So this is what the cape is looking like. It's short, it's not the long cape. Very good quality, I think, so far. Yeah, so that's what we got to do the makeups. So as I said, it's 2 capes, so I'm just gonna open the other one because as I said before, my camera wasn't videoing, so I have to just retake this part. So this is me pulling the other one from scratch. So these are the packaging that it came in, and it came with a little card inside one of them. And now for my ring light, my 14-inch newer ring light unboxing. It's heavy and I have it on the glass counter because my tripod is on the glass counter. So that's why I'm doing the unboxing right there. In the background, that's my other half. He didn't know I was recording, but yeah. And you'll be seeing him trying to attempt. Yeah, he was helping me to set it up, so I didn't quite set it up all by myself. So it came into this box, and then it has its own bag that you can take around with you and stuff, so you can pull down and go back into the bag. Yeah. So this is the part where the stand, this is the box where the stand comes in. So You pull the stand out of that and then you set it up. So this is the stand all set up. All you had to do was pull the bottom part out to make it stand. Tighten the screw and then put on the top part in which where the screw is. So you screw on that little part. It's easy and it comes with a manual. So if you don't get it by this video, you can just read the manual and it's pretty easy to set up. So I finished setting it up because he had to run somewhere. So it comes with this part, which will be the tripod part on top of the light. So as a makeup artist, we use mostly the white lighting. So I put on the white pieces on the lighting part instead of those orange pieces. So those come with it as well, so you can change it. That's the remote. You can snap your pictures or start your videos and stuff. And you have the extension cord. Yeah. So now we're gonna add the white pieces to the light. Yeah, the covers to the light. So it's easy as well. All you have to do is snap them in place correctly and they will stay on. So as I said, it came with manual, so and a little paper that states what and what you get in the package. So this is the manual right here. Yeah. I'm just looking at the instructions because I don't know how to fit on the top part. So excuse the noise in the background, guys. That's Marsha talking to the baby because the light just came back. So it was like giving a lot of trouble. So yeah, she was talking to him. And please excuse me being like, yeah, that's it. It's kind of funny how I'm doing that. Keep doing that. So okay, guys, I'm gonna mount these on before I actually put it on. I'm gonna pull these, and you know we're gonna use mostly these, so the clear ones. this is how it looks with it on. So now I'm just loosening this a bit. I think this is how this goes. I should think. Then I'm gonna tighten this. Okay, I guess I did it right. Fix the legs. The floor is not level, so I guess that's why it's shaking. So this now, you're just gonna slide it in this part. This is for the foam. And then you screw the bottom off so you get that to tighten right there. This part is where the foam goes. You can either do it that way, or there's another screw right here behind it. Screw on it so you can get it like this. I prefer it this way. Right. So this is the adapter. This you're gonna plug this into this. And I should think you plug this into this. Yeah. This should click in place. So I got a phone. So we're gonna test it together now. So the switch is located right there. So all you have to do is turn the switch and to whatever brightness you want it to. And then that's that. So there you have it, you all, my 14-inch ring light unboxing. So thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. I know even though I was all over the place with this video, but I was videoing and light went away and it just broke my old vibes and all, and then I realized I was all over the place with the video. So but I still came through for you guys, so thanks for watching.